Dinner time. What up, fam? Dinner time. Chicken and broccoli working. Yeah, sauce is done with that broccoli in there. Woo woo. Homemade chicken and broccoli. Simple. Garlic. Made the sauce. Broccoli. Cut up some chicken thighs. Fried them bad boys up. Let me show you. Woo. Yeah, let them get crispy and be on to the next batch. Then toss them into the sauce. You know it. Chicken and broccoli coming up. Yeah. Chicken and broccoli, y'all. We working on some chicken and broccoli. Chef Nick, breathtaking soul. Hit that subscribe button, like. Yeah, we're going to get this chicken in there. Reload. Hold it for a second. Hold it. We don't want it to stick to the bottom. Then release it. Hold it, let it form a crust, then release. Hold. Form a crust, then release. Yeah, we frying this in our beef tallow fat. You know it. Hold. Then release. We're going to keep loading this bad boy up. Hold. Couple seconds, then release. This is to keep it from sticking to the fry basket, and all your crust and be stuck on the fry basket. Hold, then release. You want it to form like a little crust already before you go ahead and you release it, because that way it won't get stuck. All right, that's it for that batch. Chicken and broccoli working, y'all. Chef Nick. Breathtaking soul. Got some rice in the oven. Dinner. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, follow, share. Yeah, chicken and broccoli, y'all. Put that chicken right on up in there. Whoop, we got it all. We ain't leave none. Got that chicken in there. Give it a stir. Stir that sauce and that broccoli right on up in there. Don't break up the chicken. Let's give it a stir. Chicken and broccoli, y'all, for dinner. We're going to serve this over white rice. And then dinner is served. There you go. Look at that. Get that bad boy. You want to get it nice and coated. Give it a minute, let that sauce dissolve into that crust. Bam, chicken and broccoli, y'all. Chef Nick, breathtaking soul, hit that like, subscribe, comment button. Yeah, we're going to plate this bad boy up. Chicken and broccoli over rice. Coming right now. Chicken and broccoli, y'all. Let's serve this bad boy up over our rice. Got some nice looking rice right here. Let's go. I'm kind of like save the broccoli for the top. Let that chicken just fall over the place. Bam. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Dinner. Chef Nick, y'all. Chicken and broccoli. Breathtaking soul. Like, comment, subscribe. No take out the night. Let's cook. Chicken and broccoli. Yep. Get the rest of that sauce. Yep. Put that sauce right on top of it. This is served family style, of course. Bring the family in. Let them eat it up. Everybody dig in. Quick summer meal. Easy. Not a lot of fuss. Not a lot of steps. Not a lot of ingredients. But fresh made and good for you, your heart, your body, and your soul. Chef Nick, y'all. Breathtaking Soul. No Takeout tonight. Let's cook. Watch the playlist. More videos on our playlist. Have a good night. Subscribe.